2015 Mercedes-Benz E-Class. With less than 72,000 miles on the odometer, this sedan combines safety and comfort with style and performance. It's equipped with many extra conveniences right at your fingertips, including side view mirrors with turn signals, multi-zone air conditioning, heated side view mirrors, moonroof, wood grain trim, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, memory seat, power driver seat, power passenger seat, rain sensing wipers, Bluetooth, brake assist, power outlet, auto climate control, keyless entry. Not finding what you're looking for? Give us your feedback.